It's another unboxing video for me, and today I'm going to be opening my purchases from Marks & Spencer. I have heard from Spode, Zara, and H&M. So let's open these boxes. First of all, I have this cardigan. It's red in color. Usually this is 32 pounds, but currently it's only 10 pounds. And so I'm gonna wear this now because I'm feeling cold. And the good thing is there's a hood. I like this. Next one is this long sleeve. I don't have this kind of color, that's why I decided to buy one. And yeah, this is size 10. Again, 50% discount. From 12 pounds it becomes 5 pounds. Okay, this one is from H&M. Basically, this is an advance shopping for the next Christmas. This is actually a Christmas tree ornament. Well, I love Christmas, so I'm buying everything that is on sale. And this is, it's hot dog. This is only 3 pounds. Another one here is, oh no, this is, this is ice cream. Strawberry sundae. Pretty. I love it so much. This is for the next Christmas. I'm just buying in advance because it's sale. Okay, next one is an advent calendar, and this is usually 12 pounds, but because it's on sale I only paid 4 pounds. Isn't it pretty? I like it. It's red, and here there's a hook. And every day there's a hook where I can hang the gifts. Maybe I'll make this as a wall decor because that itself is so pretty. Another one here from H&M. Look at the color. We have here the green, the blue, and pink. Again, these are all for next winter. First of all, we have the green. This is so short, but I think I like this, so that's that. This is 12 pounds. The blue is also 12 pounds. Like that. This is the Pusha Pink, and this is 15 pounds, but the original price is 25 pounds. The sky blue is usually 25 pounds, but again, this is on sale, so I paid 12 pounds. The green, which is I think my favorite color. This box is from Spode. Now these are wine glasses. I decided to buy additional set because I only have 8. So these are 4 wine glasses. Looks like this. I actually have 8 of these already, so I need additional 4 to make it 12. Everything is on sale currently, and this is only 15 pounds for 4 pieces. So I decided to buy everything on sale currently in Spode. In here we have a candy dish. I can't remember the price, but it's cute. So yeah, this is a candy dish, but actually I can put a Christmas pudding in here. That's why I decided to buy. From Spode, and this is a candy dish from their Christmas tree collection. but I'm going to be using this as a Christmas pudding server. So that's that. Pastry forks. I already have 6 pieces, so I decided to buy additional. And again, from the Christmas tree collection. That's that. And that's pastry forks, and actually I already have 6 pieces, so this is just an additional set, and these are 6 pieces. Another one here is a heart dish. A heart dish. A heart dish. So pretty. So yeah, I can use this as a candy dish as well. With this one. So yeah, these are all for Christmas. A candy dish from the Christmas tree collection. So pretty. I love it, love it, love it so much. Another one from the Christmas tree collection. And this is a serving bowl. A serving bowl. So this is really good. It's big. This is my first serving bowl from the Spode Christmas tree collection. So I decided to buy as well. Oh, what's this? I can't remember. Oh, right. A Christmas tree mug. Christmas tree mugs with a candy cane handle. And this is actually 15 pounds for the 2 pieces. Another one here, and this is a salad server. I actually have 1 set already, but I decided to buy additional one because it's on sale. So this is a salad server. This one is I like so much. This is a hexagonal vase from the Blue Italian collection. This is my first vase from Spode. I didn't realize that this is big. This will sit in this table with all my Blue Italian collection. So this is the vase. I really like this one. Now this is 45 pounds. Yes. Currently it's on sale, so I decided to buy. But usually I think this is about 70 pounds. So that's it. I love this one. I always wanted to buy, but again, it's very expensive, so I have to wait for the sale. Okay, that's it for my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos.